What's up, everyone? Spring is on our doorstep, and we are excited to announce that coming up March 8, 9, and 10, we're going to be at the Northern Pacific Center for the annual Brainerd Boat Show. Jeremy, what's going to be there?
Dan, we're going to go catch some deals. Follow me. That's right. You're not going to want to miss the Brainerd Boat Show, where us here at MarineMax Nisswa and Crosslake have red tag sales going on. We're going to be bringing one of these 230 Sensation anglers with the wide open fishing view. We got other brands including Barletta, Mastercraft, Moomba, and Sea Ray coming up at the Northern Pacific Center Brainerd Boat Show. Stop and get your free ticket here at the Nisswa showroom or Crosslake. We'll get you free admission. Tony, what else are we going to be catching at the Brainerd Boat Show?
We're going to be catching some sweet deals on wave armor floating docks and drive-on ports with the new protector canopy cover, as well as shore station hydraulic lifts and aluminum maintenance-free dock systems.
One-stop shop for all your needs, MarineMax Nisswa and Crosslake. Dan, give us the deets one more time.
So once again, March 8, 9, and 10, Northern Pacific Center. Stop on in our store here to get your free tickets. Looking forward to it.